This is the first page upon login. Several important information should be monitored on this page. If your applications, leaves and overtimes, have been rejected, they will be shown here. This shows your schedule as entered under Doctor's Calendar. This is to record your location based on Wi-Fi and GPS. To record your location, click Save My Location and give permission for the browser to use location services. This box will list all related tasks assigned for you. Refer Tasks Manager for further information. This box will list all incident reports in the last 30 days. Important: make sure manual backup is done as frequently as possible. The date/time last manual backup was performed will be indicated here. The automated backup runs every hour. To check the status of the hourly backup, click here to list. This is the list of last hourly backups. If there is any error, as indicated in red, please contact your Intelsys technician to check. Click SMS Log to list the hourly SMS sends. Automated SMS notifications are sent out hourly and the status will be listed here. This is the list of last hourly SMS runs. If there is any error, please contact your Intelsys technician. Click Lab Log to list the hourly communication with labs. Intelsys communicates with labs every hour to check for results. If there are missing hours here or any errors, please contact your Intelsys technician. Rarely, you may need to update your IP if Intelsys is not accessible from the Internet. If you are in other pages, the Start page can be accessed in the main menu. Click on this gray triangle on the top left corner to go to the Start page. That's it. You're done.